field due to electric dipole in case of equatorial plane. Here, this value of this hypotenuse will be r square plus a square, and this angle is going to be the theta. Okay, and finally, this vertical components of this and due to plus q and due to minus q both are going to cancel. So we'll have component only along this, that is the parallel to the dipole orientation. So this field component only we are going to obtain. And here in this cos theta will be equal to a by root under r square plus a square. And here only first magnitude is written. Then both sum is taken here. So we have cos theta here. That's cos theta value is replaced by a by root under r square plus a square. So finally E equal to 2qa by 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square to the power exponent is 3 by 2, and this p is the unit vector.